I know I need to find my f of A and I need to find my f of B. Okay, because it says they can't be the same, which they're not the same, right? I already know that I have 1 and 2, so I'm going to find f of 1, I'm going to have to find f of 2. It says as long as those numbers are not the same, so we're going to make sure that they're not, there exists a c in there such that f of c equals n. Well, if you're finding a root, we know that f of c is going to be 0, right? Because it has to cross the x-axis, which this is the same thing as your n. Okay, so we're going to find what f of 1 is. So if I find f of 1, this would be, just put 1 in for x. So 4 minus 6 plus 3 minus 2. So what is that, negative 1? Okay, and if I put in 2, 2 cubes 8 times 4, so that'll be 32 minus 24 plus 6 minus 2, which is 12. Okay, so does f of A equal f of B?
No.
No, so we're okay so far, right? Okay, now, is it going to cross the x-axis? Yeah, because negative 1 is less than 0 and 12 is greater than 0, which is what you're trying to find. So if you want to say, yes, this is true, because f of A is between f of B. So f of B is, f of A is less than 0 and f of B is greater than 0. Your proof is in your work, showing that this was true. And you do have questions about that. Now, you can keep finding numbers that are like, okay, I know it's between 1 and 2, so then you could try numbers smaller and smaller and smaller to find out what the actual root is. Like I could try like 1.1 and 1.9, or 1.2 and 1.8, until you can find where they're actually between. Okay?
All you have to do is show it. Right?
Show it. Yes, you don't actually have to find it. How would you know it's actually the root? Is when the closer and closer and closer it actually gets to 0. Because where they're crossing it is at 0. Because it crosses the x-axis.
You can just like factor that, or it doesn't work.
Yeah, this one would factor, this one would not factor by grouping. You would do where you have to do like synthetic division, but yes, you could do it that way. Okay? But you didn't actually have to find the root, you just had to prove that it exists. Okay?